Hello, TLV, back with Satisfactory. I have a FPS drop here, so I decided to record in 30 FPS. It should be fine. It should be fine. Instead of getting copper sheets, crafting all the time, we're gonna make copper sheets into this, and we're gonna remake this boss. I'm not happy with this boss. I think I'm gonna have a one-layer boss, and then temporary bosses for temporary materials, and then you can always connect it to the real boss. And then I want it on like high up. Probably is how I should see all the lanes. That would be a dilemma. I think usually it's just one on each, right? So it's gonna be 8, and then maybe 2 of these, or 2 or no, maximum 4. So the third lane is gonna disappear, and we're gonna have an 8 boss for basic materials, and then you can always migrate back to the main lane if something is clogged up. Yes. That's how we should do it. But now the copper here, I think we're gonna take this. Let's see. Am I doing something here? Okay, but we do have one more here, unused. Copper sheets. It's done with default copper, so it's 20. That would be 12 of these. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so it's already set up. Kind of good. Where are we making concrete, by the way? Okay. So let's fix this so we can get some for the research. And we need to boot everything up and bring back the other resources. So I think this could be a decently productive episode. No, maybe not if I decide to spend a lot of time making blueprints, which is actually very likely. So what we'll do here is we're gonna split the copper. Actually, you know what? It goes into a splitter here. So we can just and then while that's full, we just bring in for copper sheets here. And finally, I don't know why I've been crafting that manually for so long. We're not pulling them out just yet. But if we need copper sheets now, we're gonna have thousands. Yeah. Good. Great. Great success. And then, should we bring in the... We can bring in for circuit boards? No. How many did we need? 400 for next research? $319. I'm thinking... And then we have most of the materials, right? Maybe that's fine. And also we should spread out the bus. We're not gonna fit it here though. This is a problem. It's gonna be crowded, and we might raise it up one so we can walk underneath. Yeah, I think I wanna be able to walk underneath, so it should be raised. We can do that with foundation, so it looks okay. Or maybe not. Or let it fly in the air. As less stuff as possible. Maybe, I don't know. I don't think it matters. I think this game is super optimized. It's not that will lag the game. But how do I know? I still need more? 409? Okay, let them cook a little bit. Let's see here. Bus. Load blueprint. Too high. So basically they will start the next one will start here, right? Wait. I think there's a small gap. There's no gap between these, but between these there's small. So these two seems fine. But I think let's do a bus. Okay, then you can walk in between these two easier. So that's fine. Maybe it will take the same amount of room. Maybe we even remove this temporary. This will cross over the conveyor belts a lot though. Should this be in the front, the main one? The temporary? Oops. Wait, how big is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14. That's 16 bus. So we keep these two. And these are just normal materials. I'm thinking this should be reversed. Dilemma. Now we know we have to connect it manually as well though. Am I not gonna create more lag now? Maybe. Main materials coming in and out. Temporary. And then once we use it, we hook it back to the main line. With... yeah, you... then you should Yeah, we hook it up here with a lift and up where it belongs. So kind of similar, and temporary ones here. And this can all... Problem is I can only integrate one at a time here. Maybe I should have two. So I have one more next to this. Then it's not gonna match with our current recipes. Or if it's one longer, it's still kinda gonna match. Might even be slightly better. Let's say let's say you have 4 nails coming in there, and they're full. You're not making that so much stuff using nails at the moment. You want to merge them back, but you only have one nail, main nail line. So the temporary ones might not even need them that often. So if a temporary line ends, you merge back into the main bus. Yeah, at least it's better than our current design. Sorry. I'm just thinking if you want 2 like this. This should be in the front. Temporary in the back. Temporary are usually most used by the recipe next to it. I could squeeze in 2 here if I move this slightly this way. If I want to see clearly, I should have some space in between here as well. Send 1. No, we deal with that. It's always just gonna be 1 full belt. Oh, it's always just gonna be 1 full belt. That's true. Doesn't matter that we send in multiple here. Because then we just have to continue the temporary one. Or we can do 2. It's gonna be annoying to upgrade. This is just if you want to send in 2 belts. Why do you want to send in 2 belts? If they're... Wait, they can merge in like that. No, they can't. Why can't they? Okay, we have some fixing to do here. So if you merge back in there, then you can, in two ways you can merge back in to the original line. Okay, this is a better bus. But wait, here it comes out. This is even too tight to be able to merge back. Wait, which direction did I... input output there. Yeah, now it works. I shouldn't have attached them to each other. Also, it's harder to see. Yep. So this is in a decent position. This is the original position. Might move it a little bit to the right. Okay, I think that's good. 4 temp lines and 16 main lines. Bus. Is this a 16? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Maybe 12 would be better. Are we really producing 20? That's it how it looks. Oh! Oh! I didn't know. Wait a second. They produce different? Wasn't that Mark II? Oh, we have some repairs to do, I think. Or it feels like. 350. 240. Right. Minor. Minor Mark II. What? Wasn't that Mark II? It is minor Mark II. Okay, let's get some upgrades in there. Bus looks good. Oh wait, we should fix the bus so you can walk underneath it. Or I can just start by building it on top of something. Yeah. We don't want that. We don't want to change it. I will have to touch that. Because I want to test that out. What am I thinking? We had some upgrades. Then we need to make more upgrades, I think. 2 of the upgrades is lost in one of the machines here for testing. I don't know which ones. We have no more pups that we can utilize. Or power slugs, I mean. 4. Let's craft them all to... What is power shard 2? Yellow power slug. Okay. Because this is not acceptable. 120. That's better. 240. I guess we have to do it for the other rock one as well. So this one over here is also like that, I guess. It's not even working. I don't know why. Why is only one working? Oh, it's making concrete. Interesting. Man, this was a good find. What do you mean 400? Oh. Oh, it depends on the vein, the ore vein. Or is it after a certain period of time? Normal. Ah. Pure. Oh. Interesting. Wait a second. Does that go for other ores as well? Or that we have found? Oh my god. Obviously we need these. Okay, that's why we don't get so much coal then. Now I understand. After 10 hours later. Okay, I'm learning. I'm learning about the game. Now we gotta fix this bus. Make it look pretty. So we... So that's for that one. Spread it out a little bit. Actually, I wanna spread it out even more. Okay, wait, 1 second though. I wanna test something here. If I do the bus, one. So what I do first, before starting the whole bus. There we go, and then bus like this. And I hold control. Oh, it's the wrong direction. H. Okay, it sticks, so... Yeah, we don't need to keep it on higher elevation. Question is if we want... Still gonna be quite tight here. Maybe this main bus should be slightly moved backwards. That's more space. That means I think we should do even one further. So the only way that's input on this one is the orange bit. I wish I could customize all of them. And make the output green and stuff. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Maybe 12 is better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. On this line is good. Or maybe one line more. No, maybe that's too much. That's pushing it a little bit. Because if I load... now it ends on the same actually. So then 2 steps further might be good actually. It does end on the same. Okay. Here was the one. This is also gonna be... No, maybe it was good. I just need some... Oh wait, maybe it's not good. Why can't I even place it? That's all good though. And we can place cycle all these through one. Okay, that's good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, that's better. And actually I think we only need 1 here. Or 2 more. No, 4. Some you except for example nails. Or maybe then we should have 2 recipes. One with 1. Maybe 2 recipes then. Okay. something like this. This is a better bus. And it should also be raised 1, right? So I can walk underneath. Otherwise we're gonna come up here. I can't do anything about it. Because of how they stack. Okay. We're gonna raise them up. Or maybe teleport, but I mean there's a teleport thing, but I don't know when we're gonna get it. And then, okay, and then you get back to the main 12 bus, Mark III. This is better. This is way better. Let's check all our inputs. Look good there, look good there. Look good everywhere. Alright. Very nice. Very nice indeed. And then it's gonna be a lot of job to dismantle on top then. It is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. Meanwhile, let's call this 4x bus, 12x bus Mark III. To I should call it 2 side bus. 2 side bus. No, 2. What should we call it? 4 temp bus. 4 temp lanes. Four temp bus, and then we have a 2 temp bus as well. Mark III. And then we do the 1 temp. For that one, I think. And we need to keep the same length. So you have to go. It's gonna be a gap. What happened? Okay. And this one we call 4 temp bus, 2 temp bus. Okay, good. Clear this. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Is that 12 materials? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14. It is what it is. You know what? We can have 12 until we need more. We don't even need 12 in the beginning either. This is already overkill. But quite fast we're gonna get up to 12. Then we just increase this recipe to 14. And Q blueprints. Here we go. And bus. 4 tempos, 2 tempos. 4. Okay, we just have them. Okay, we're good. Let's get some copper plates, fix that research, and bring these. No, let's fix the car belts first, actually. Or what shall we do? Can't decide. Need to bring in the all the rubber and plastic. We need to get in here as well. If this is the case, maybe it's time to, if we fix the bus, maybe it's time to destroy everything downstairs a little bit. This is gonna get wider here. We need to fix this, change this a little bit. It's too messy. Too messy. I'm just gonna delete the prints here. It's gonna fill up our inventory. Let's get some here we go. Nice, I don't have to craft it. Now we can do the research. I tried to build another hub here. You can only have one, so I guess I have to dismantle our hub and move it. Which I think you are allowed to do. Which we might do later. Instead of going down here. Maybe we should do it already. Dismantle this, move it. What happens with this chest, for example? I don't know. I guess we have to move it into a personal storage. Hypertubes.
Milestone reached. By adding hypertube entrances at both ends of hypertubes, pioneers can achieve two-way travel between locations. They are also % safer than jump pads.
Petroleum
you
power.
dreamed of moving across factories like valued resources, such as rocks and water, and Fixit listened to your dreams. We watched them. We took extensive notes. Hypertubes. Because Fixit makes pioneers' closely monitored dreams come true.
Okay, this is pretty cool. Just need 100 motors. And we should start turning on those thrusters, I think. Okay, many things to do now. But this is pretty cool, actually. Fix the bus, it seems very good. But I want to start handing in these again. Hopefully this will not create too much chaos power-wise. 300. We're gonna research petroleum soon, in 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's continue to bring in the because we're almost here, right? Oh, it's gonna be nice to do all this efficiency stuff. Oh, I'm almost standing still. I think we bring it up here at the edge there. So why not just cross over here? And then up here. Yeah. This is much better. They don't need to join the main bus for a while. We can have conveyor belts for that goes outside the main bus. Oh, maybe they're gonna be needed later. Who knows? I'm thinking like that. Maybe do a service for some conveyor belts. Service. We should have done that with the other ones too. Bring them up here as everything else. But okay, we're gonna do a service lines. That bird thingy is gonna crush into our buildings. Oh no! So that's a little bit tight. No. I mean, just for some conveyor belts. I think that's good. And then we just bring them up whenever we need to. Why did that glitch so much? Okay, I'm starting to think better, I think. So we don't need any... They're not used anymore anywhere, so... That's the same thing with the bus actually, the main bus. I should just have conveyor belts that I hook up to each other. And then when we need to place... let's test that. I need to test that to verify it. That seems important to test. So let's bring these materials here. And here. Yeah, okay. Well, that's plastic. Too long? Ridiculous. Too long again? we're gonna have this ready. Perfect. The annoying part here is that the service. Oh, well, it's my problem that I didn't build it. Wait. Now for some reason I got. Oh, because I started building up here. Yeah. I haven't turned on the computer. That's okay. Something like that, I guess. Good. We're connecting these materials. What else did I need for the research? I forgot. I needed something. No, it was just the time we were curious about. Here I want straight. Wait. The next one is gonna come in. Has to come in. Okay, wait. Wait. Okay, re-entry. Just bring up 2 for now. Straight. Why am I dropping so many frames now? Oh, it's because of all these graphic for okay, so now we have rubber and plastic coming in. Something like that. Oh, we should have built the conveyor stacking here as well. Okay. Good enough. $800. Actually, 700. Okay, so let's go and research. And 65 and 100 motors. Just need a little bit more of that and some motors for petroleum. Let's go and grab that. No biggie. Some more motors. Oh, why? Something like that. So let's fix this research as well. But which research did we just do? Oh, it was the hypertubes, right? Now we're gonna do petroleum. And we have all the materials now. Without circle, I think we have a lot of materials to just advance really quickly now. I hope we can rebuild our bus though. Petroleum power.
Milestone reached. It is my honor and privilege to inform you that the fuel-powered generator, as well as the industrial fluid buffer, are now available. Due to a lack of gold in your sector, Caterium will be required to construct the fuel-powered generator. Additional research and development relating to this new material can be done in the MAM.
Caterium. Ah, I guess we have to go and grab Caterium as our next. We can do the truck. Conveyor belt Mark IV. Packager. Modular engine. Monorail. This one is decent as well. Monorail technology. Whoa. Craft 3 or 4 parts into another part. Okay, soon we're gonna need that then. That'll be interesting. That'll be really interesting. We can select industrial manufacturing then. We don't need the truck seems cool. We need to test this slots and built-in crafting bench. Any fuel type. That seems really good. Let's do industrial manufacturing as well though. We can't get it. So is it time to destroy our buffer? Or our bus, I mean? We're gonna get a lot of materials back, and we have a lot of materials up there. And then we're gonna move our hub up here, I think. Oh, wait. This is for fun. I don't think we have connected this one. Ha! That's not good. Is it pure? Oh, okay, it is. $240. We have so many hiccups of 900. Actually, I think okay. No, we don't fix the bus actually, since we are at the limit of our power. We're gonna hit the roof of our power. We'll just let this build for a while. So much part of the factory is actually working now. And we're gonna go and fix the Caterium. We know our vein, right? Thing is though, do we need its own? No, we need Caterium stuff. We need to put it on the bus. On the bus. But we can come pretty far down. There's Caterium now, 300. It's pretty close. Do we have enough materials to... 800 there, 800 there, 300 there. So I guess we want to do these two, 800 and 300. Okay. Caterium, because we need more energy here, and then fix the bus. We keep this factory as is. We're 1000 now. Okay. Power line. Kind of want to test this. How far they reach. Thing is that we have already built power this way as well to the Caterium. So we have power there as well. So much already prepped. I need frames for the next research. For the manufacturing. It's fuel generator. 250 megawatts. Wait, I can't... Don't we have enough Caterium to just handcraft that and just test it out before we go there? And do we have enough for miner? Yes. And then power, ting ting ting. Yeah, okay, we have most stuff. Comes back in 3 minutes. 1000 cables, plastic. 200 motors, yeah, no problem. Suddenly we are in a much better position since we have plates there. Let's see how much Caterium we have. Oh, we can make a lot of quick wire actually. Where is it though? $16 only? That's not okay. Let's make some Caterium quick wire. Just to see how this machine looks like before we end the episode. That's all I can do with the Caterium anyway. Circuit board. No Caterium. Okay, let's see how this one looks like. Refinery. Power 200. Ooh. What do you mean? One input? No fuel. What fuel do you want though? Maybe real fuel. This should be fuel. And 20 cubic meter per. So we should, instead of making petroleum coke, we need to do this. All right. We can also make it directly. But we can make crude oil. We can make plastic from water. With polymer resin we can make plastic and... No, we still need crude oil. Can't get around not using crude oil. I have to get fuel immediately. That's gonna give us a lot of energy though. I think it's worth it. Okay, so we need to change some stuff here. That should be okay. And that's so we don't get a... Before we turn on everything. Okay, this should be fine. This we could do immediately as well. Send this research. This needs fuel. Why doesn't it say what it's used in? Why doesn't it say it's used in the power generator? And 20 cubic meter per second. So that's all it needs? Could that be correct? Forty cubic meter per minute. For one refinery, 40 per minute. So we can increase at least 1 gigawatt of energy. Okay, that's the next project. Bye for now. Bye bye.